Good morning, grade 5, and a warm welcome to the English class. Well, children, let me begin with, I want you to name a famous sports personality who very recently I mean just last week, who retired, or this week you say, okay, because today is Thursday. So, a famous personality who retired from sports. If you are reading the newspaper or watching news, you should be getting it. Okay, let me give you a clue. A famous cricketer. Another clue, he was nicknamed Captain Cool. Getting it? Yes, children, see. This is, can you identify the person? He is Dhoni. Ex-captain stumps all by sudden retirement call. Captain Cool, a natural leader. So, children, all of us, we love this game, okay? We play and we watch our ODIs and IPL. We love this game. And all of us have our favorite cricketers, our role models. Yes, can you name some? Now all will start shouting, Virat Kohli, Virat Kohli. Yes, Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, Robin Uthappa. Then who's that? Hardik Pandya. No? Yes, all of us love these cricketers. So children, today we are going to do a very interesting lesson. Most of the boys will like it. That is Unit 2. We love cricket. That's on page 14. Page 14, Unit 2, we love cricket. Now children, before we begin, I want you to open to page, that's your index, page 4. If you see your children, we love cricket, that's information text, facts about cricket. So that means this text, Unit 2 is an information text. Children, we have done information text last year. Can you tell me the names of the lesson last year? We have done information text. You remember this lesson, children? Birds' wings. Right? Then we had even this lesson. What was that? When winds blow. And then this growing a city. These were all information texts. Birds' wings, looking at the sky, all this was information text. What do you mean by information text, children? Information text is, it is non-fiction, informative and factual, facts, that is real and true, right? Now children, before I begin this lesson, okay, just have a quick look. That is page 14 for some of you who don't have the textbook. This is page 14. Right? Page 14. Then you have page 15. So I am giving you children 1 minute. I want you quickly to just run through this lesson, that is page 14 and 15. Just run through the lesson. Go through everything. Go through the text. Go through the pictures. So well children, did you go through the text? Right? So that was skimming and scanning. Skimming and scanning, but it is nothing but a rapid eye movement. That is, you quickly move through the text, right? Now children, as I said, this text is non-fiction, it is information, it is factual facts which is real and true. Now this text is telling us about, it is giving us information about cricket with biographical sketches. Now what is the meaning of biographical sketches, children? Biography is, it is nothing but it is a short summary about a person's life. Like you have Mahatma Gandhi's biography, then you have Pandit Nehru's, okay. You even have of Dhoni. This is biographical sketch. Biographical sketch is nothing but it is a summary about a person's life. So children, as I told you to go through this text, right? Now, how do you think, children, this information is presented? As we all said, this is an information text. So how do you think this information is presented? I told you to quickly skim and scan, right? Quickly run through the text. So take a moment to think, how is this information presented in this lesson? Can you see this, children? This bullet marks? Yes. So this information over here, it is given to us in the text. Text means writing. Can you see this paragraph, these sentences? So the information first is given to us in a text. Then it is given to us in bullet points. Can you see? They have put here bullet points. Then you also have photographs, children. Can you see? Information is given to us in the form of photographs and also in charts. Charts means this table. Can you see this table here? Okay. As I told you, children, last year we have done this, the sky lesson, Dubai. Similarly, we had this text, okay, where it gave us information. The information is presented in these forms. Now children, why do you think the writer has included the photographs? Why? What makes you feel that he has put these photographs? Yes? He has given us these photographs so that we know how the cricketer looks. How does that person look? Like when you read Mahatma Gandhi's biography, you see Mahatma Gandhi's photograph. Or if you read of Pandit Nehru, you see his photograph. Or a famous cricketer, you see his photograph. Right? So, it tells us to show how that cricketer looks. Now children, why do you think these charts or these tables, are they useful? Or do you think it's not useful? Why do you think it's useful or why do you think it's not useful? Children, you may pause when you are watching this video so that you become an independent learner and you think. So you can pause the video and just think, why have they given us this table? Is the table important or is the table not important? These charts are useful, it is not useful. Last year also, children, in the wind lesson, we had these charts, if you remember. I think you have your textbooks at home. You can always open and see. There also the information about the wind was given in chart form. We had a table. These tables, children, are very important because they are useful. Why? Because they give us they give us the data about the runs, see a one-day matches, okay. That is called the statistical information. And we can always compare. We can compare which cricketer scored more, right? Like you have your report card in school. Similarly, this helps us with this information. So children, how is this cricket played and what is cricket? Your all this ICC, IPL, ODIs, right? So today we are going to get to know more about this sport. So let's see more about this game. We love cricket, unit 2, page 14. Children, please keep your finger while I am reading and also your dictionary. Okay, please pause the video and search for those words. Learn to use your dictionary as we were using in class. Facts about cricket. Facts is something true, okay, real. As I told you, this is an information text. Cricket is a sport involving two teams of 11 players in each team. Now we know that there are two teams and there will be 11 players in each team. All of us know this. Involving. Children, what is the meaning of involving? Children, remember when you have this word, okay, these are all these highlighted words. What do? We need to read the sentence in which this word appears. So this will help us to interpret the text, to understand the meaning. So please, whenever you have such words, see that you read the sentence again. It's going to help you to understand the meaning of this text, in what context it is used. Involving. Cricket is a sport involving. What is the meaning of involving, children? Yes? Now, right now, what are you all doing, children? Yes, online classes, correct? Are your parents involved in this teaching? Yes, they are a part of it, correct? So you could say my parents are also involved in my online teaching. So over here, children, involving is made up of. Cricket is a sport involving two teams, means made up of two teams. Some of the team are batsmen. They are there to score runs by running up and down the pitch. All of us know what is a pitch? Yes? Those who don't know will find out what is a pitch. Right? What's the measure of that pitch? You will find out and you will text me. On the when you are sending your homework, find out what's a pitch, find out the measure of the pitch and send it to me on WhatsApp when you send your homework. So that's your research, finding out. Now, some of the team are bowlers. Their job is to get the other team's batsmen out. This is called taking a wicket. Can you see this? So, some we have batsmen in a team. Out of 11, we have few. They are very strong batsmen. Some are very strong bowlers. Okay. Every player has different skill. Some player can be both batsman and also a bowler. If you see Sachin Tendulkar, he has also bowled. He has also taken wickets. He is a good batsman, but he is also a good bowler. He has taken wickets. Taking wickets means getting somebody out. One of the team is the wicket keeper. As we said of MS Dhoni, he also had the skill of wicket keeping. Now what is wicket keeping, children? The player stands behind the batsman's stumps wearing large gloves to catch the ball. So all of us know, we see cricket, we have seen cricket and we also see it. So his job is to catch the ball, and you get this run out, no? He quickly takes the ball and he throws it at the stumps. It's fun to watch, no, children? We all wait, we stand, we shout. It's fun to see somebody being run out. All of the team have to field. Field means they are at different positions in the stadium. Okay, each one is given a position. Somebody will be near the boundary, somebody will be very nearby, near the pitch, round the batsman. Now let's come to the next subheading. This is the matches. We have finished with the teams. Now the matches. The longest type of international match is called a test match. Okay. Nowadays children, you all feel bored. You all want to watch ODI. No? Just one day. Quick. You are all instant. Like you have instant coffee. So same way, all of us love one day. We don't have the patience to watch a test match. Earlier there were only test matches. And this can take up to 5 days. So it was 5 days match. It was also fun, children. It was really fun. One day international matches are shorter. The bowlers have 50 overs in which to get the batsmen out. So one day has 50 overs, right? Now children, what I will do is, we will continue this the next time. So for your homework is, you will read the text. Till where I have taught, you will read the text. And you will find this meaning of involving and international from the dictionary, right? And also I told you to find out about the pitch. So you find out about the pitch. What is the pitch? That would be your homework. So that's all, children, from my side. Thank you and see you soon.